Hi guys, welcome to another video here on my channel. For those of you that are new, my name is Lakia and welcome to the Chaotic Critic family. For my returning subscribers, welcome back. Here on my channel, I share planning and organizational videos, plus so much more over on my blog, chaoticcritic.com. The link is always in the description box. The whole purpose of my channel is to share with you guys how I'm crushing the chaos in my life with hopes that you'll be inspired and encouraged to crush the chaos in yours. Today's video is going to be a little bit different. I am going to be testing out a potential planner setup for 2020. For those of you that do not know, I have been using the Happy Planner Classic. This is my Franken planner. I will have details on this as far as all the products to put this together and related videos in the description box for you to check out. But I realized that with the more things that I'm adding to my plate from, actual work day to day to projects that I'm working on the side, that I kind of need a daily, I do need a daily page. So this week I am going to be trying it out. This is what the week looks like in my Franken planner. I have been using the Happy Planner Vertical Hourly. And I have a lot of plan with me's on this that I have posted in the recent weeks. So I'll leave those for you to check out. But yeah, for the week of the 21st to the 27th. But now I want to try out the daily. So I'm moving back into this half letter size. And this cover right here is actually a Staples ARC cover. And then on the inside, I added in dot grid paper. And then this is the notebook paper that came with it. And I have two ideas on how I want to set this up. So we'll get to that in a second. And then the discs here are Martha Stewart. I love hers versus the Happy Planner disc. I don't know why, I just do. And I have a coupon for $10 off my next in-store purchase of $20 or more. So I'm thinking of possibly getting the metal disc from the ARC line. And then I can really give you guys a comparison of the discs that are out there that I have access to in store wise. So if you guys are interested in that, let me know. But that's what I plan on purchasing because these Staples coupons are hard to come by, okay? So then let's look back at the cover really quick. So there is this little flap here, this little pocket, and then there's like little business card ones here. So there's 1, 2, and 3. And what I love about this cover is the pen loop. The pen that I like to use is the Bic Gelocity in 0.7. And this does not fit all the way in here. So I would have to put it in my planner like that, but still I love the fact that it has a pen loop. And the other option that they had with this was it was like a leather. This one is a little more textured. I definitely wanted to get a black cover. That's one thing I can say about Happy Planner is that the covers that they put out, they do have a black one, but they also just have the blue and the pink. From what I have seen, those are the 3 basic ones. And I also did upload a video on how I would set up my planner using this deluxe cover, but I just need something a little bit smaller to carry on the go. So I thought back to the system I used this summer, which was, this half sheet system. So here's the stack here because I had the disc on here. And this is a Happy Planner cover, classic cover that I rigged and I cut and everything. I had my finance stuff in here. Some of the stuff I am going to be carrying over. As far as my weekly, here's what a weekly looked like. I was just using regular grid paper, but I'm not using a weekly for this particular week that we're going into. I need dailies. This was my blogging section. I have everything upside down. So this was my blogging section. And this is something I wouldn't mind carrying over, but as you can see, it does have 2019 at the top. But putting that aside, I could work with it. But I also have a content planner. So this I'm going to be including because I love, not the tab, but the vellum. It's one of my favorite vellums. And then this, the brain dump, I might end up moving that over, but I'm gonna reuse this dashboard. So it's gonna be a lot of black and whites inside of here, similar to my mini happy planner, which is my self-care journal. And then it's crazy, here's my wish list: the Staples art collection, the cover customizable notebook, the grid paper, and then I was comparing it to Office Depot. So I did get some things off my wish list from what I had planned this summer. And then here is my chore chart and my daily routine. I do have videos on both of these, but my daily routine is like out of the window because this does not apply to me anymore. This was like over the summer, so I have to do that over. But this one I would definitely include. And then I also have this Girl Boss one, and then the these little flags, I don't remember where I got them from, but the ones that say like Girl Boss and Currently, and the brain dump one I had, those are all from Ashley, I don't know if it's Ashley Designs or Ashley, I don't know. I'll have it linked below. I'm always confused when I'm trying to pronounce that one. But anyway, then I also have this Post-it pocket here that I have had in multiple systems. I've used tape on the side to turn it into Discbound, to just rings in general. So that's that. So all that stuff, I don't plan, this huge stack here, I don't really plan on using. The chore chart, I'm probably going to move over. And if you guys are wondering what disc came with the notebook, they are these. They are mini ones. And if I ever want to make another micro planner, those would be perfect for that. So I'm going to move that out of the way. Now getting into here, this cover, this is like the only pop of color I have in here, but this was actually my A5 Stylogy cover that I cut, well, that I hole punched over here and put inside of here. So the A5 is really the closest equivalent to this half letter size, but I also was thinking of moving into the half letter size if I choose to get inserts from Cloth and Paper. She has these dailies that are, I think they're $40, and yeah, they are $40, and it's from January to December, and I just love the aesthetic of it. I just want this to be more neutral, and if I do choose to do a pop of color, I want it to be with my stickers and not so much, you know. So I'm going to be putting my finances in here. I'm going to, everything that was in my Franken planner system, I plan on moving into here. And it's not that I don't love this. I do. I really, really do. But I just want something that's smaller. Carrying this to work, I am a nanny and I throw things into a bag all the time. This is heavy to carry around, y'all. So this, I wouldn't mind using it for like my writing projects and stuff. But like in general, no. I don't want to. No, that's okay. So I'm just going to right now. The only other thing, like I mentioned with that coupon, I'm thinking about getting more discs, but there's also more like arc accessories. So this is a little bit off, this paper, because I did it for like A5. So I'm gonna just trim it a little bit to make it fit inside of here. So there we go. Let's do that. And this again is the dot grid paper. I will have all this stuff linked below, and I'm gonna just check out the other ARC stuff that's available. Now, as far as the dailies that I want, if I ever want to print out some, then I can, but I just feel like the Cloth and Paper ones, I like them, and maybe, just maybe, I'll end up getting them for the new year. I don't know, y'all. We'll see. Okay, so this is another one that I have to cut, but I love this paper, so that's good. And yeah, I just wanted to share this with you guys. And then in the next video, you will see how I am creating a daily that has an hourly section as well as a to-do list. So my days are made up of freelance work in the earlier part of my day, and then my nanny job in the afternoon. And then I come home. Sometimes I'm either working on my project, or I go out with my friend, or my friend is in the guy I'm dating right now, or I will be working on my book. So I'm just trying to juggle everything. I also want to like include my TV shows in my daily. I don't know, I just do. So we will get all into that in the next video, but this is where I'm at right now. And yeah, I'll have all the information linked below for you guys to check out my newest planner setup. And yeah, let me know what you guys think in the description box. Let me know what you guys think in the comment section. Any questions or suggestions, leave them there. Be sure to check out all the links in the description box, which will have links to this beauty here, as well as related videos of the Franken planner system I was using. Will I go back to it? Will this work? Even if this doesn't work as a planner, this is a great notebook to have and carry on the go. Also, be sure to check out the links to my blog and Instagram. The blog is chaoticcritic.com. My Instagram is @chaoticcritic. If you're not subscribed to the Chaotic Critic fam, what are you waiting for? Hit that subscribe button. And for all of you that are, I thank you guys so much. And I'll see you in my next one. Bye.